Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate a secret folder on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. So we can now start this tutorial. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, and now to locate the secret folder, which is called the library, which we cannot see within the documents or in the computer science videos folder. If we just click on home, library is not visible. Let's go back one. Let's go to the toolbar on top. We can go to view, go to go, click on the option key at the same time, and this will allow us to see the library, which we can click. And now we have access to the library folder. Let's just change the view to list. And these are all the hidden folders that we have now located on a Mac computer. I would recommend you to not touch anything within these folders, as they are very important. If you start deleting all the information in these folders, it can damage the computer itself. The only one folder I ever touch in my life is the caches folder, because as you use your machine, it builds up cache, which can be deleted. Let's just click on cache. Before we delete, if we are still unsure of what may happen or not happen, we can move this folder to another destination by copying and pasting, because if we delete, something bad happens, we will not be able to recover the deleted data unless we recover everything that we have deleted, which can be done using external third-party softwares. So let's quit Finder. Let's now go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Finder itself, go to Go, click on the option key, locate the library folder, click on this, and there you go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.